This simple activity called the Trees of Life is focused on assessing your core values, because the journey of achieving success in college begins with a single step, and that's identifying your own personal values. But what does that mean? What makes you who you are? Take, for example, the life of a migrant farm worker. Their lives can be really focused on the ideas of adversity, sacrifice, and hard work. The idea of harvesting the seed in order to grow something fruitful. We need to till the soil and fertilize ourselves in order to see what we're going to shape into. With every seedling, it always grows into a giant tree. And that's what the purpose of this activity is. A hands-on creative session where you can use different types of paper, colored pencils, tape, glue, scissors. The idea is we're going to be able to manifest ourselves as trees fully grown, showcasing our values and our core beliefs that allow us to stand tall. Creating your own tree is very simple. There is no right way to do it. Be creative, demonstrate your individuality, identify your core values and strengths, and reflect on your past, celebrate the present, and set goals for the future. Use the following slides as a guide, but don't let them restrict your ideas. Again, there's no right way to do it. Trees grow in all forms. First, you have your soil. When drawing your soil, this represents your support and resources. This is what nourishes you and helps you grow. This is your family name, or the family names of people that support you. Scattered throughout the soil, you might want to also put words that you find meaning in. As you create roots, the roots are your anchors. They're what keep you grounded. These are your key personal values, your traditions and culture. This is where you're from. These are the key family members or other people who have supported and motivated you. Your trunk represents your strengths and what keeps you standing tall. All over the trunk, you should write positive words that describe you, positive aspects of yourself, things you're good at, things you like to do, what you want to be remembered for. You should label your branches as your life domains. What are the areas you want to grow in? Your school, your family, the relationships, your work and career, finances. Maybe you want to grow in your health or your spirituality. As you label your leaves, these are the accomplishments that your life has produced. What are the successes in your life? Brag about the things that you've accomplished. What are the things that you're proud of? The fruits your tree creates are your dreams. What degrees do you want to earn? What do you want to do in your life? Where do you want to work? Where do you want to live? What do you want to accomplish? And what will you do on your own? And then some of you might want to do rotten fruits, the things that you've removed from your life, mistakes you've made, negative influences that you want to avoid, the results of bad decisions you made, or the problems that you've overcome. Take your time perfecting your tree of life and share with your classmates. No matter where we come from, we might be surprised at the similarities in our core values. After all, at the end of the day, we are all people.